What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Cardano ADA token. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that may affect the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what to expect next from the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we might have a pullback, and I also told you that we might hover for quite some time in between these two levels, 1.88 and $2.47. It is our previous support and resistances. It is an all-time high. Let me show it to you on daily time frame. It is an all-time high top and this next swing high. And because of these two levels, we have this very good price action. And as you can see, we have a consolidation phase. And this consolidation phase has a shape of a symmetrical triangle. And as you can see, we have several touches. And this triangle has to have 5 touches in it. And this is from this point we might have, this is our A wave, B, C, D and E. And we have to make this line a little bit longer to this point, as you can see, and we have very good breakout to the upside. And I will share my thoughts and what should we expect next in my technical analysis. But for now, let's continue with the entire crypto market and with the sentiment of this market. So we are sitting on the market cap of $2.3 trillion, and it is 1.95% increase over the last day. And as you can see, we have major cryptocurrencies in green. And during last 7 days, Bitcoin surged for more than 24.22%, and during last 24 hours it has a slight consolidation phase with 1.09% decrease in its value. Ethereum is up for 2.19 and 19.4% for 24 and 7 days respectively. And Cardano doesn't have much price action with this consolidation phase, and only last 24 hours gives us this massive movement to the upside for about 4.77%. And let me show you that for now the total market cap of Cardano is $73.14 billion, and the total tradable volume during last 24 hours is $3.11 billion. So we have very good price action, and right here we have this massive surge in price, and the volume also confirms that we have very good movement to the upside. This means we might have some kind of breakout, and in my technical analysis in a minute I will show you what to expect next. But for now, let's continue with the recent news. And this article was published on CoinMarketCap 3 days ago, and it's titled "Cardano is undervalued, GRAYSCALE report argues." And let me quote you several paragraphs. A report by GRAYSCALE Investments suggests that Cardano is undervalued compared with Ethereum, which would make it a strong investment candidate. And here is more details. Dividing its market cap by its users, GRAYSCALE's An Introduction to Cardano puts the value of Cardano users at about $30,000, while Ethereum's are worth $55,000. This may imply Cardano's valuation is cheaper than its largest peer based on relative user value fundamentals, the report said. And let me show you the report itself, and I will put the links in the description below. You can find it there and you can read it by yourself and make your own conclusion what should you expect from Cardano. But let me pay your attention on just a couple of facts. First of all, on page 11 we have figure 8, Cardano monthly annualized fee revenue. And as you can see, during September 21st we have a huge surge in monthly annualized fee revenue for about $56 million compared to previous one in August of $20.3 million. On top of that, let me show you right here that Cardano's ecosystem is still growing, and it has a lot of new partnerships, and this implies new possibilities for Cardano. And here is the comparison between Cardano and Ethereum monthly active addresses. And as you can see, on late August 2021, we have more active addresses for Cardano than for Ethereum. And this crossover is extremely important for Cardano because it shows us that Ethereum network as it is for now is losing its active addresses, and all of these addresses migrate to Cardano's network. And until we won't see the Ethereum 2.0 solution, we will have this crossover, and we will have more active users for Cardano network than to Ethereum. And that is why Cardano is a very fundamental proven technology, and it has a very strong potential for the upside movement. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what to expect next? As you can see, we have this breakout to the upside, and this breakout has a very good volume, as you can see right here. We have a good price action with a good volume, and this volume might show us that we have a real breakout, and as you can see, we exceed this previous top. This means technically we continue to form higher lows and we start to form higher highs, because right here we have the price action that is tightening its range, and this is the first time when we exceed the previous resistance, and it is a very good sign. So what should we expect next from this price action? In my opinion, we might hover for quite some time. We might even retest this sloping line, and as you can see, we pretty much retested this level of $2.25, and from this point we have to have next leg to the upside. And as you can see right here, if I do a breakdown according to Elliott wave theory, we might have this is our first wave, second, third, fourth retracement, and we shouldn't retrace the fourth wave on the territory of the first one in order to remain motive wave, and we have to land our fifth wave, and it is the most smallest scale that we can have for now on an hourly time frame. And if this breakdown is correct, we have to have next leg to the upside, and then we have to have a retracement. And in my opinion, this movement to the upside might hit either this previous swing high, or we might hit this yellow line. It's pretty much the same range, and if we will hit it, it will be a very good sign, and it will be some kind of pivotal point, because we should retrace the entire movement from this bottom to this top, and this will be next accumulation point for the long-term investors. But for now, if you are risky enough, you can accumulate your position right here at this very point, and if we will go higher and exceed the top of our third wave, it will show you that you have to stop to accumulate your position, because we should hit at least this level of $2.48, and then we have to have a retracement. But if you're an investor, you have two possibilities. First of all, you have to wait until we'll see the price action around this resistance line, and then we have to have a retracement in this area. We can accumulate next major position for the long term with Cardano, but we can do it right here at this very point, and if we will see green candles, you have to stop your accumulation phase, and if we will see red candles, you can continue to accumulate your position, and your stop loss might be at this very bottom, because if we will break this bottom, it will indicate that we still have a possibility to hit lower targets instead of movement to the upside, and this will indicate that we should temporarily stop our accumulation phase and wait for new patterns. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. We have very good breakout to the upside, and it is a very good sign. And our major targets, let me remind you that we have first target at about 9% to this resistance. Next all-time high might be up to 36% to this level of about $3. And when we exceed this level, I will do another projection of our major targets. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!